how to turn off personalized ads on Reddit. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop targeted ads step by step. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. In my case, I'm already signed in. Now tap your profile icon, usually located in the bottom corner of the screen. Then tap on the three line dots located in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Tap on Account Settings. Here, you will find the setting for personalized ads or ad personalization. Now simply turn it off. Once you disable this option, Reddit will stop showing you ads based on your activity, interests, and browsing behavior. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. Reddit often updates its interface, so the setting may appear under a slightly different name or location. And that's how you turn off personalized ads on Reddit in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Reddit tips and guides.